Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open YouTube Music and sign in so your library and offline tracks are available. Once done, make sure notifications and background app refresh are enabled. This lets playback persist when you switch apps. Start the song or playlist you plan to keep running. That initial play creates an active audio session. You do this now because mobile OSs require an app to be in a playing state before they allow background audio handoff. Keep the player visible briefly to confirm audio starts. Next, you configure system settings so YouTube Music won't get suspended. On iOS, enable background app refresh and use a longer auto lock or keep the lock screen controls active. This prevents the OS from pausing audio. On Android, grant background activity permission and exclude the app from battery optimization so the system doesn't kill it. Also, download tracks for offline play to reduce buffering. This improves stability and preserves data. After these changes, return to the app and confirm playback continues when you switch apps. Finally, use the lock screen or control center controls to manage playback without reopening the app. This is how background audio is most conveniently controlled. If playback stops after switching apps, force close and relaunch YouTube Music, then test again. Clearing cache or reinstalling can fix corrupt states. Make sure no other device or account limit is stopping the stream, and confirm your subscription supports background playback. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, reboot your device to clear transient system locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.